Folks, coming to you live again here at the Build Shop. I'm standing here with our all-new F-150, and we have gone absolute off-road styling, almost complete, with the EGR bolt-on pocket style fender flares. Now, there's a number of different options out there and a number of different fits, so I'm gonna get you in the know on everything you need with EGR's amazing setup of fender flares. As you can see here, this bolt-on styling is absolutely phenomenal. We got about 2 inches of tire coverage out of this setup. What I really like about their design is they are adding nice matte black to match, I should say, as far as those fender flares go. Now, they do also have a similar style where you can actually get paint to match. So you can perfectly match any color vehicle that you have. Just enter that year, make, model, and you're good to go. Install is an absolute breeze. There will be no drilling involved, none whatsoever, so you can be 100% certain anybody can do this from the comfort of their own garage. Now, a great thing I also like about this setup, everyone's always a little worried about the build of fender flares. This setup is an extra heavy duty ABS setup that comes with an additional sunproof coating, so it's going to maintain this look through any kind of wear and tear that you have to put your truck through. Again, main purpose of these is to keep your vehicle safe and secure from rock trips, dust and debris, anything that you meet on the road. Be sure that you're gonna protect your paint with the EGR bolt-on style fender flares. Another great thing I love about this, of course, it does not limit your options as far as additional aftermarket accessories with add-on mud flaps. Again, take your rig from zero to clean off-road hero with EGR's bolt-on pocket style fender flares. Click wherever the button comes up and join us at RHRSwag.com.